Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learn English Podcast. I'm Luma.
And I'm Paul. We are very happy to be here with you today.
Today, we have a very special and meaningful topic.
Yes, today we're going to talk about how to prepare for Ramadan.
This episode is perfect for beginners who want to improve their English listening and speaking skills.
You will learn useful vocabulary, simple conversation structures, and real-life expressions.
Before we start, please like this video.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more English conversation practice.
Also, share this episode with your friends and family who are learning English.
Your support really helps us create more content for you.
Now, let's begin our conversation about Ramadan preparation.
Luma, what is Ramadan?
Ramadan is a holy month in Islam.
It is a very important time for Muslims around the world.
During Ramadan, Muslims fast from sunrise to sunset.
Fasting means not eating or drinking during daylight hours.
Yes, but Ramadan is not only about fasting.
It is also about spiritual growth and self-discipline.
Exactly. It is a time to improve behavior, increase prayer, and help others.
Many people also focus on kindness and charity.
Yes, giving to those in need is very important during Ramadan.
So, how can someone prepare for Ramadan properly?
Preparation can be physical, mental, and spiritual.
Let's start with physical preparation.
Physically, people should prepare their body for fasting.
How can they do that?
They can start reducing snacks before Ramadan begins.
Especially snacks with sugar and caffeine.
Yes, reducing caffeine slowly can prevent headaches.
That makes sense because many people drink coffee every day.
Exactly, and suddenly stopping coffee can be difficult.
What about water intake?
Water intake is very important.
Hydration is very important.
Yes, especially because people will not drink water during the day.
Should people change their sleep schedule?
Yes, sleep schedule is very important.
Why?
Because during Ramadan, people wake up early for suhoor.
Suhoor is the meal eaten before sunrise.
Correct, and iftar is the meal to break the fast at sunset.
So people need enough sleep to stay healthy.
Exactly. Going to bed earlier can help.
That sounds like good preparation.
It is simple but effective.
Now let's talk about mental preparation.
Mental preparation means preparing your mind and attitude.
What kind of mindset should someone have?
A positive and patient mindset.
Patience is very important during fasting.
Yes, especially when feeling hungry or tired.
Setting goals can also help.
Yes, setting spiritual goals for Ramadan is a great idea.
For example, reading more Quran,
Or praying more regularly.
or improving behavior and avoiding bad habits.
Exactly. Ramadan is a time for self-improvement.
Self-improvement means becoming a better person.
Yes, both spiritually and personally.
What about spiritual preparation?
Spiritual preparation includes increasing prayer and reflection.
Reflection means thinking deeply about your actions.
Yes, thinking about how to improve your character.
Many people also increase their dua.
Dua means personal prayer.
Preparing spiritually makes Ramadan more meaningful.
Exactly.
Luma, what should families prepare at home before Ramadan?
Many families buy dates.
Dates are traditionally used to break the fast.
Yes, it is a sunnah practice.
Families also prepare healthy food options.
Yes, balanced meals are important.
Eating too much fried food can make people tired.
Exactly. Heavy food can reduce energy.
So healthy preparation is better.
Yes, fruits, vegetables, rice, and protein are good choices.
Now we have a question for our listeners.
Yes, we would love to hear from you.
How do you usually prepare for Ramadan?
Do you prepare physically, mentally, or spiritually?
Write your answer in the comments in English.
Practicing English in the comments will improve your skills.
And we love reading your responses.
Ramadan preparation is not only about food.
It is also about improving habits
Yes, such as avoiding gossip and negative talk.
and being more patient and kind.
Exactly.
Preparing early can make Ramadan more peaceful.
Yes, when you plan ahead, you feel less stress.
Planning is very important.
It helps organize time and energy.
In this part, we talked about basic preparation for Ramadan.
Physical, mental, and spiritual readiness.
We also learned useful English vocabulary.
Words like fasting, patience, hydration, reflection, and charity.
Keep listening and practicing.
Let's continue discussing deeper preparation steps.
Yes, let's continue.
Welcome back. Now let's talk about daily routine changes during Ramadan.
Yes, daily routine becomes different during this month.
People wake up earlier than usual.
Because of Suhoor, the pre-dawn meal.
Exactly. Suhoor gives energy for the day.
What should people eat at Suhoor?
It is better to eat slow digesting foods.
What does slow digesting mean?
It means food that gives energy for a longer time.
Like oats, rice, eggs, and whole grains.
Yes, and also fruits and water.
Drinking enough water at Suhoor is very important.
Yes, dehydration can make fasting difficult.
After Suhoor, people usually pray Fajr.
Fajr is the early morning prayer.
Then many people go back to sleep for a short time.
Some people go to work or school.
Working while fasting can be challenging.
Yes, especially during long summer days.
How can someone manage work during fasting?
Time management is very important.
Doing important tasks in the morning helps.
Yes, because energy is higher in the morning.
Taking short breaks can also help.
And avoiding unnecessary stress.
Stress can make fasting feel harder.
Exactly. Staying calm is key.
What about exercise during Ramadan?
Light exercise is okay.
Like walking before Iftar?
Yes, or stretching after iftar.
Heavy exercise during fasting hours is not recommended.
It can cause weakness or dehydration.
Now let's talk about Iftar.
Iftar is a special time.
Families gather to break the fast together.
Traditionally, people break their fast with dates and water.
Then they pray Maghrib prayer.
After that, they eat a proper meal.
What kind of meal is healthy for Iftar?
It is better to start light.
Soup is a good option.
Yes, soup helps the stomach adjust.
Then balanced food with protein and vegetables.
Avoid overeating.
Many people feel very hungry and eat too much.
That can cause discomfort.
Eating slowly is better.
Yes, and chewing properly.
After Iftar, people pray Taraweeh.
Taraweeh is a special prayer during Ramadan nights.
Some people go to the mosque for Taraweeh.
Others pray at home.
It is a beautiful spiritual experience.
Yes, Ramadan nights feel peaceful.
Now we have another question for our listeners.
Yes, we would love to know your routine.
What is your typical day like during Ramadan?
Do you work, study, or stay at home?
Write your answer in the comments in English.
Practicing daily routine vocabulary will improve your speaking.
Words like schedule, energy, routine, and balance.
Ramadan is also a time for family bonding.
Yes, families eat together more often.
That strengthens relationships,
Families also learn important values.
like patience and gratitude.
Gratitude means being thankful.
Yes, being thankful for food and blessings.
Ramadan teaches empathy,
Empathy means understanding other people's feelings.
especially understanding people who are poor or hungry.
That is why charity increases during Ramadan.
Giving food or money to those in need.
Helping others brings happiness.
It also strengthens community.
Now let's talk about planning before Ramadan begins.
Planning meals in advance helps reduce stress.
Making a shopping list is useful.
Buying ingredients early saves time.
Making simple meal plans helps families.
It also prevents food waste.
Food waste should be avoided.
Because Ramadan teaches moderation.
Moderation means not doing something excessively.
That's a useful English word.
Yes, moderation is important in eating and spending.
Many people decorate their homes for Ramadan.
Yes, decorations create a joyful atmosphere.
Lights, banners, and lanterns.
That makes children excited.
Ramadan is a spiritual celebration.
Yes, but it is also peaceful and reflective.
Reflection helps improve character.
Thinking about goals and personal growth.
Setting realistic goals is better than setting too many goals.
Yes, small, consistent actions are powerful.
Reading a few pages daily is better than none.
Exactly. Consistency builds habit.
Habit is something you do regularly.
Good habits strengthen faith.
In this part, we talked about daily routine changes and practical preparation.
We discussed Suhoor, Iftar, work, exercise, and prayer.
And we practiced useful English vocabulary.
Keep listening carefully.
And keep repeating sentences out loud for speaking practice.
Now, let's continue our conversation.
Yes, let's go deeper into spiritual and emotional preparation.
Now, let's talk more deeply about spiritual growth during Ramadan.
Yes, Ramadan is not only about food and routine.
It is also about improving your heart and mind.
Many people try to become more patient.
Patience is one of the most important qualities during fasting.
When you feel hungry, you learn self-control.
Self-control means controlling your emotions and actions.
That includes controlling anger.
Yes, avoiding arguments is very important.
Ramadan teaches peaceful behavior.
Speaking kindly is part of spiritual preparation.
Choosing good words is a good habit.
Words have power.
Negative words can hurt people.
Positive words can heal and encourage others.
That is a beautiful lesson.
Many people also reduce social media during Ramadan
Why is that important?
because too much social media wastes time.
And Ramadan teaches us to use time wisely.
Yes, time management becomes very important.
Instead of scrolling online, people can read Quran
Or listen to Islamic lectures.
or spend time with family.
Exactly.
Ramadan is also about forgiveness.
Yes, forgiving others brings peace to the heart.
Holding anger makes the heart heavy.
Forgiveness makes the heart light.
That is a strong emotional preparation.
Yes, emotional balance is very important.
Some people also give up bad habits during Ramadan.
Yes, like smoking or gossiping.
Ramadan can be a fresh start.
It is a chance to reset your life.
Reset means starting again in a better way.
Exactly.
Let's talk about children and Ramadan.
Children learn by watching adults.
Parents should show good behavior.
Teaching children about kindness is important.
Some children practice fasting for a few hours.
Yes, to understand the experience slowly.
Families often make Ramadan special for children.
Yes, with decorations and small gifts.
That builds happy memories.
Ramadan should feel joyful, not stressful.
Now, let's talk about community preparation.
Mosques prepare for larger gatherings.
More people attend prayers.
Volunteers help organize iftar meals.
Community service increases during Ramadan.
Yes, helping others strengthens unity.
Unity means togetherness.
Yes, feeling connected to others.
Many people also visit relatives more often.
Maintaining family ties is very important.
Visiting elders shows respect.
Respect is a core value in Ramadan.
Now we have another question for our listeners.
Yes, this one is about habits.
What bad habit would you like to stop during Ramadan?
And what good habit would you like to build?
Write your answer in the comments in English.
This will help you practice expressing goals.
Goals are things you want to achieve.
Setting realistic goals is important.
For example, praying 5 times daily.
Or reading one page of Quran every day.
Small actions create big changes.
Consistency is more important than perfection.
Perfection is impossible, but effort is powerful.
That is a very important message.
Now, let's talk about health awareness.
Some people have medical conditions.
They should consult a doctor before fasting.
Islam allows exemptions for health reasons.
Health always comes first.
Yes, taking care of your body is important.
Balanced eating prevents weakness.
Drinking enough water prevents dehydration.
Sleeping well improves energy.
Exercise should be moderate.
Moderate means not too much, not too little.
Exactly.
Ramadan is about balance in all areas.
Balance in food, sleep, worship, and work.
Too much of anything can cause problems.
That is why planning is helpful.
Planning daily worship time is useful.
Setting reminders for prayer can help.
Making a checklist keeps you organized.
Organization reduces stress.
Stress management is important during fasting.
Deep breathing can help reduce stress.
Talking calmly helps avoid conflict.
Smiling is also a good habit.
Smiling is considered charity in Islam.
Yes, even a small smile counts.
Ramadan reminds us that small good deeds matter.
Helping someone carry groceries is kindness.
Sharing food is generosity.
Generosity means giving willingly.
That creates happiness for everyone.
Happiness during Ramadan is spiritual, not material.
Spiritual happiness lasts longer.
Yes, it brings inner peace.
In this part, we discussed emotional and spiritual preparation,
We talked about forgiveness, habits, and community.
and we practiced useful English vocabulary again.
Words like unity, moderation, forgiveness, and consistency.
Keep repeating new words aloud.
That improves pronunciation and confidence.
Now, let's move to the final part of our discussion
Yes, let's conclude and summarize everything we learned.
and share final advice for Ramadan preparation.
Now let's summarize everything we have discussed about preparing for Ramadan.
Yes, we talked about physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual preparation.
Physical preparation includes adjusting eating habits.
Reducing caffeine and sugary foods helps the body adjust.
Drinking enough water before Ramadan is important.
And preparing a healthy suhoor meal gives long-lasting energy.
Sleep schedule should also be adjusted.
Going to bed earlier makes waking up easier.
We also talked about mental preparation.
Having a positive mindset makes fasting easier.
Patience and self-control are very important qualities.
Avoiding anger and negative speech improves character.
Spiritual preparation is the heart of Ramadan.
Increasing prayer and reading Quran strengthens faith.
Making dua regularly builds connection with Allah.
Reflection helps improve personal behavior.
We also discussed emotional preparation.
Forgiveness is very powerful during Ramadan.
Letting go of anger makes the heart peaceful.
Building good habits is easier during this month.
Ramadan is like a training month for discipline.
Discipline means controlling yourself consistently.
Consistency is more important than perfection.
Small daily efforts create strong habits.
Ramadan is also a time to reduce waste.
Food waste should be avoided.
Cooking moderate portions is better.
Moderation keeps life balanced.
Balance between work and worship is necessary.
Overworking can cause exhaustion.
Overeating can cause discomfort.
Planning your schedule helps balance everything.
Time management is key.
Making a simple daily plan helps stay organized.
Organization reduces stress.
Stress reduction improves focus in prayer.
Focus increases spiritual benefit.
Now, we have one final question for our listeners.
Yes, this is an important reflection question.
What is your main goal for this Ramadan?
Is it improving prayer, controlling anger, or helping others more?
Write your answer in English in the comments.
Practicing English while sharing your goal is excellent speaking practice.
Try to use new vocabulary from this episode.
Words like patience, gratitude, discipline, and balance.
Speaking about real topics improves fluency.
And listening carefully improves pronunciation.
Repeating sentences out loud builds confidence.
Ramadan preparation is not only about planning food.
It is about preparing the heart and mind.
When the heart is ready, Ramadan becomes meaningful.
When the mind is focused, worship feels peaceful.
When the body is prepared, fasting becomes easier.
Preparation brings success.
Success in Ramadan means spiritual growth.
And becoming a better person.
Every Ramadan is an opportunity.
An opportunity to reset your habits.
An opportunity to improve your character.
An opportunity to strengthen your faith.
We hope this conversation helped you learn new English words.
And also helped you understand how to prepare for Ramadan.
Keep practicing your English every day.
And keep improving step by step.
Thank you so much for listening to this episode.
We truly appreciate your time and attention.
See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.